On Amazon, this product has like over 5,000 reviews on how great this product is, and let me just tell you, this clay mask right here has been honestly the best thing. Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. My name is Dorothy and I do content on skincare, hair and just lifestyle videos. So thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoy the content that I'm putting out, and if there's any other content you guys want to see from me, please let me know. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the products, the key products I use that have helped me rid of my acne. Let me just tell you, my acne broke out. The reason why I kind of went MIA for a bit was because my acne broke out, and I just completely lost confidence, and I didn't want to be doing just pretty much anything. So now I pretty much have all the acne scarring and just hyperpigmentation that I'm trying to clear, but at least now my face is not breaking out as much. Like I might get every now and then some here and there, but that's normal compared to what I was getting before. My face, I'll just get it. If you can see, like I still have all the acne scarring. I have one that came, but all the acne scarring there, and then I had it all around here, and then again you can still see the scarring here, and then I had it all over my forehead. And let's just say the way my confidence just like, there's nothing more frustrating than when you're trying to clear your skin and it's like the more products you use, the worse your skin gets. Like, oh, I literally had to eyeball again. I had to buy all these different products to try, hoping that will make a difference, and honestly it didn't. And it just like, it was just stressing me out, and obviously the more stressed you are about your skin, the more it just pretty much flares up and goes crazy. But then I finally stuck to a routine and stuck to the product, and I don't want to change this product because I know they work. Even on days where I feel like my face is completely like going crazy, I know this product will work. The next day I'll find my, whatever has come through is either dried out or it's straight away like, popped, and it's just the scarring left, which I would rather have the scarring that's just keep having recurring like things coming up, pimples coming up everywhere. So the first product that I highly recommend, or at least that worked for me, was using African black soap. Guys, the way I went through all kinds of soap to try and get the right one, and I went on Amazon. I remember I was watching all these videos on TikTok, and you know how everybody recommends you different things. African black soap was one that I was like, you know what, let me try that. And I bought one, and this has been a lifesaver. It just dries, like it's, I don't know, it just helped me get rid of it and like dried it out, and also made sure whatever was coming out, well, any pimple that was coming out, it just completely it got rid of whatever that was in there, and then it dried that out. And of course the scarring is from touching my skin, so don't touch your skin, guys. Don't pop your pimples, which is what I did. So that was one thing I did. Next thing that helped me so much, like, and if you go on Amazon, this product has like over 5,000 reviews on how great this product is. And let me just tell you, this clay mask right here has been honestly the best thing. I know I said the other one, but this is so good. Like, you can see a difference in a week if you use it twice a week or even more. I think when I was breaking out quite a bit, I used it every single day. I mean, I was putting this on every single day, and I knew it was working when I could feel like the tingly in my skin. That's when I knew this product was working. And this is so good. I will link all these products in like down below, by the way, guys. But this product has so many amazing reviews on Amazon, so definitely, if you've tried everything, I will recommend you try this, because this was the best. Next thing that I used was obviously CeraVe. I was using this for quite a bit. This is the hydrating cleanser. This is the cleanser, and I felt like nothing was happening. So then I went and I bought another CeraVe product, and this is the Blemish Control cleanser. So this is what I use now, which I feel like is helping, and it's what's probably helping me clear my acne scarring that I have. So yes, add one of these to your skincare routine if you already don't have one. Then from there, I went to my serum and my moisturizer, and again I had to cut out quite a few. Like before, I was using the ordinary hyaluronic acid, but I just found that was just, I don't know if it was all the extra products I was using that just made it worse. So I've stopped using that now. But what I use now is this serum here. This is now the serum that I've been using. Oh my god. There's Niacinamide. I can't even say it now. But this serum has been so good. I will do like a video of exactly how I use this, like my skincare routine video of exactly how I use this product. But this is something that you need to add to your skincare routine, because this has really helped me. Like I said, I had to go down to a few products to just help my skin, so that was really good. So then the other thing that I am now a huge fan of is the ordinary retinol oil. Oh my gosh, I sometimes just use this by itself at nighttime once I've cleansed my face, and when I don't want to put like moisturizer on, I find that when I use this, it just gets rid of like any clog up that I might have. Like I have one here right now, and I found like that started yesterday, and as soon as I used this last night by itself, it then kind of made it come out straight away. So now I know it's gonna be, I'm itching to like pop it, but I know I can't pop it, so I have to like restrain from trying to pop my pimples. So this is, yes. And then I had all these other moisturizers that I was using. I had a CeraVe moisturizer, and that just, my skin was just terrible. So then so now either I'm using this by itself, especially at night time. I try not to moisturize other than putting eye cream, which I forgot to bring. So then I'll put a little bit of eye cream under my eye once I've used this, and that's it. And then the other thing that I started using, instead of all these extra products and expensive products that I was buying, I had to stop, and now I literally use like Coco Butter. This here, I just put a little bit on my face, and I think that's why most of my face feel like it's very moist, because I use that moisturizer at night time. So guys, these are all the products that I have used and that have helped me with my acne, and I definitely recommend pretty much every single one of these products. And if you are currently struggling with acne, I feel for you, because it is a struggle, and I hope you find the right products that, you know, suit you, so you can get your confidence back and go back to, like, you know, being you, because it is no joke. So let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys want from me. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.